Today, I wanted to share my new grill grate with you. Now, this is for my Weber 22-inch, and I have to tell you that the Weber 22-inch almost ended up in the recycling pile. But here's the thing. One of the other manufacturers gave me a device for free, and which was a rotisserie, and I went ahead and put that on here, and I gotta say that it really changed the game for this thing. I didn't need the grill grate to use the rotisserie. But now that I got it, I decided, well, we might as well go ahead and start using it. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about this one really quick. We've got a center that removes. So if you have some kind of a device in the middle, like I have, which is a charcoal smoker kit, or if you just want to be able to work the product in the middle, you can just simply remove that. Also, you have the two little side gates, so you can lift the grill up on either side and just move a few pieces of charcoal, which will work great if you're using the charcoal snake and you just need to add a block of wood or you want to move the charcoal around. Now let me set this down and show you. This is the original grate from the Weber, and I'm going to hold it up as close as I can. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has rust on it. And basically the coating was damaged and I had cleaned it. I even used an electric grill brush on it, and while it came clean for a minute right after I was done cooking, the next morning I come out and look at it, it's completely rusted out again. So it was just time to replace this, and that's one of the main reasons I stopped using this. Plus I have so many other smokers around here. I have such great equipment that it's really hard to go for one thing or another when we switch around so much. I'm going to set this down. Tomorrow it's going in the metal recycling pile, and then today, we're putting this on here. Now, I'm not using a charcoal snake today. What I'm using is a Skyflame kettle smoker kit, and this basically holds all the charcoal in the center. So directly underneath this opening is where all that is. And we can just keep that right there and use that for the main area to cook on. Now, one of the nice things about this small little removable section, which I'm going to take advantage of, is it can go right in the dishwasher because it's small enough. Now, I know that some of these things can get damaged by the dishwasher, but if you set it with a mild cycle, you should be just fine. I'm going to go ahead and do a cook on this today, and I'm going to put some pictures here. I don't know how the daylight's going to hold up because we are midwinter, so, you know, daylight goes away fast around here. But you can see here that we can easily get our chuck roast right on the middle there, and I'm sure a pork roast would fit pretty well also. So let's go ahead and do a cook and go from there. What I got here though, I am super happy with, and if you get one to replace your grill, I think you'll be happy. And as far as the budget goes, it was very fair for what I've got here because this is definitely an upgrade from the basic grill grate. So check this out. I think if you do, you'll be happy.